Welcome to Healers Ayurveda TV, where ancient healing meets modern life. Today's message is simple. Know your dosha. Heal your life. Understanding your dosha helps you live with less stress, better health, and more energy. In Ayurveda, every person is born with a natural body-mind type called a dosha. There are 3 doshas. Vata, the energy of movement. Pitta, the energy of transformation. Kapha, the energy of structure and stability. Each person has a unique mix of these 3. Some are fast and energetic like Vata. Some are sharp and intense like Pitta. Some are calm and steady like Kapha. But when these energies go out of balance, you feel it in your body, in your mind, and in your daily life. You may feel anxious, angry, tired, bloated, or even unmotivated. These are signs of dosha imbalance. The good news, Ayurveda gives us the tools to bring balance back. Through food, daily routines, herbal oils, massages, and lifestyle changes, you can support your unique dosha naturally. At Healers Ayurveda Therapy Center, we help you discover your dosha and guide you with personalized therapies. Because when you understand your dosha, you can make better choices in how you eat, how you sleep, how you think, and how you heal. So start your journey today. Know your dosha. Heal your life. Subscribe now and take your first step to natural wellness.